Pookie, the fucking Don nigga. Ha. Freaky girl remix. Listen, I'm a very freaky girl, but I don't get it from my mama, cause I get it from my senior, but she not with that drama, yeah. You can lick it, you can stick it, you can taste it. Fuck around with Pookie, I would get your ass wasted. And I make you throw a stack on the floor, and I have your ass coming back, asking for more. I got that track, just ask my bro, cause my boo was on the block. Murph, you already know. But fuck, I look like turning down some head, just like my bitch Nicki Minaj done said. I'ma ride that dick like a motherfucking soldier, then I'ma ride it in the motherfucking Rover. He know, yeah, I will slurp on the dick. Yup, my mouthpiece game is so fucking sick, nigga, sick to the head, cause I don't suck dick, I just start to slurp on a tit, nigga, haha, yeah. Pookie, the fucking Don, nigga. You already know, ha. Fuck with me, listen.